Hey y'all, this is Allison hanging out in my space to craft. I may have to voice this over because my daughter's downstairs on the phone talking to a friend. But what I want to do is go through everything that I have for my Christmas journal this year. I'm not really doing Journal Your Christmas like a daily journal. I am going to turn this into a Disney album because we are going to Disney on December 14th for 4 days, all four parks in Disney World. So I'm really focusing this. I'm taking the Chamel Journal Your Christmas. I also took the Get Ready for Christmas, but I'm really doing more Disney because I will need more than 1 page a day to document Disney. So let me show you what I have so far and how I'm going to organize it. So I have my album. This is the album that Chamel had, but I thought this really spoke to Disney. So my next video, I'm going to do this cover and have that ready to go. I have pulled apart the paper pads. These are things that would make really good 1 page. And if there were two of them, then this is only one of them. So these are whole page sheets, 6x8 sheets. Now, I don't have to. I could always tear this. I could do half and half of this one easily. But for the most part, I'm going to use these for the front. And then the backs, I have a second sheet for most of them. Some of them, like this one, has a front and a back that's a single sheet. This one, for example, the other sheet I cut out into tags. So I've got those are single sheets, and then these will be, and I have 2 paper pads. One is Simple Stories Christmas, Say Cheese Christmas, and the other is the Vicki Boutin. So these are the 2. Oh, and I did the Simple Stories Candy Christmas, I think it's called. So I have a whole bunch of beautiful papers to use to mat or create pocket pages out of and stuff like that. So those are my, and you can see there's some Disney ones in there too, and some not Disney ones. So there is a little bit of pink because I like the look of pink. So I've got, this is super classic colors, and then the Disney is super classic colors, but the Simple Stories has the pink and teal in it, which I like. And they all coordinate. So I've got a ton of papers here. So I'm trying to keep these, they have slightly different purposes. So those will go here. And then this album came with some pages. Let's take a look. Here's some little flip pages that will be fun. Here's some pocket pages with a pocket on one side and a full page on the other. Now, the only issue with these is they are bigger than a 6x8 piece of paper. So if I do a 6x8 piece of paper here, I'm going to have this, which I'll probably want to add another piece of paper onto a strip or something so that doesn't show. There's a calendar. I may not use this calendar, but I might use the frame of it since I'm not doing the whole month. But I do like that, and that's the back side of it. So there's lots of things. And then there's a whole set of tabs, which I may want to, oh, these are stickers. So cream stickers, black stickers. I'm probably just going to keep these in here. And then it came with a few pages. I want the stickers at the way back, I think. So these two will go here. And then there's some laser cut, because this is $49 in Market. So there's some gorgeous laser cut pieces, a whole bunch of them. I may pull them apart. I think I will. I think I will pull them apart and use these as my embellishments, because I didn't buy new Christmas embellishments other than Disney stuff. So let me show you. I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to pull these apart so that I have them to sort through instead of having to pull it out of this every time and flip through. Okay, I have bought some additional, and I went ahead and got the $49 in Market. So I got a sheet of assorted that comes with several different, and a sheet of big ones, because I really like doing 6 by 8 pages, especially if I'm going to try and fit like several photos on it and stuff like that. So I will put this in my binder in a minute. All right, so let's take a look. I have this tray. I used it last year. I pulled out the things that I did last year, and I just put them in pockets. But I can actually sort of by color theme or collection, but I can pull from these as well. I got about halfway through last year, and then I just got too busy and ran into a wall. So I'm not sure if I will get back to that or not. I still have lots of cool things to scrap from last year. So this is the Say Cheese Classic Mounts Christmas Big Bits. I ordered Big Bits by accident. I did not mean to order the big ones, but that's okay. And we are going to put those, these are going to be assorted. I'm going to put all the Disney stuff in here. Now this is Disney, but it doesn't really necessarily look Disney. But I'll go ahead and keep that in here. There's some hearts, very cute. There's some snowflakes, some cut aparts. I have all the, in this one I have all the tags that I have already pre-cut, and all the cut aparts. So where there was cut aparts on one side of the sheet, I did cut aparts, and there's 2 of each sheet. So I have 1 of each of the cut aparts in here also to make use of. Let's go that way. So tags and cut aparts. And then I'm just going to put, so some of these are kind of big, but not necessarily. Like this one, I may want to put on there, and that's Minnie. It's a cute stamp. So there's a steamboat. You make me smile from ear to ear. There's so many cute things. Look at that giant tag. All right, I'm gonna probably put this in with the tags. And then we have this one. That's pretty big. It'll fit on a 6 by 8 sheet for sure as a title. So we'll just save that. A few more snowflakes. I don't think there'll be snow in Florida. Let's see what this is, just a hole, I think. And then this is, I'm going to count this as another cut apart. So those are in there. And then I have the Say Cheese Classic Mouse Christmas. And I could separate, but I'm not going to. So I'm just going to put all the Disney stuff in here because it's a look. Little Christmas tree, kissy face. Those are cute. I will pull a few more of these things for the cover, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure what. Holly Jolly, Merry Christmas. That's a really cute tag. There's another little cut apart we'll put in there. Now this teeny tiny tag I'm gonna keep in here. Those are cute. I like these big faces on here for sure. That's cute. Sleigh rides. The North Pole, and then some small bits and pieces. Now I might want to pull out, I have this tray still, and I have this. So if I want to get more differentiation, I can do that. But for right now, I'm just going to set this here. Now these are standard Disney things, not Christmas things. This is Bits and Pieces Say Cheese Magic. So the question is, do I want to include these with this Disney stuff? Maybe I'll put this in here. But I will be using this because I'm not going to strictly do like this will work with the pinks and stuff. So I've got stuff that will work, and there's words in here that I like, memories, and I think this might work, some of the other stuff, so we're going to keep that. Oh, there's one more. So some pages will be more Disney and less Christmas, and I'm okay with that. All right. So I think I want to go ahead and pull these things apart because I want to go here for paper products. I won't do this on, I'll show you what they are, but I won't do this on video because it'll take me a little while. But we have that, and some of these pieces tend to fall out, so it's easier. Look, these are really cute. Memories, little tabs, super cute stuff. So 4 sheets of that. So I'm gonna, oops, pull that apart. And I think I like the idea, while I'm going through these things, I'm looking for things for the front. And then I will do that together. That's gonna go on there, I think. Okay. And then let me show you what's in here. So this was, I think it was a freebie when I made my scrapbook.com order, and it's Disney, so definitely going to use it. I have these cute enamel dots, which are from Wrapped in Ribbons, Vicki Boutin. I really like that. I have the Simple Stories, Say Cheese Classic Mouse for Christmas. I have those. And I have Altenew red enamel dots. So I love that. That's plenty of enamel dots. This was a freebie, Christmas tree die, and I didn't already have one, so that's great. And then in the Echo Park Warehouse sale, I picked up Wish Dream Magic Family Smile as words, and some a camera, balloon, and mug for Disney. I have put in some cute sprinkles. I won't do a shaker box, but I might use those. And then I have some more sprinkles and sequins in some reds and some pinks and some greens. I have 2 types of ribbon. I used these last year as well for going in tags and stuff like that. Not ribbon, baker's twine. And the last thing I have is this is Magic Voyage from Echo Park. I'm not doing the cruise, but there are a lot of words in here that work not just for a cruise. So there are a few things like the camera. There's some words and titles: adventure, magical adventure, say cheese, the castle. So there are still some things in here, the balloons, that will work. And you get 2 of everything. So even if I use a whole bunch of stuff on here, it won't matter because I'll have a whole nother sheet for when I do. We did a Disney cruise many years ago, so I'll definitely use this for that. So there are definitely some stickers that I can use here. And some black Disney letters. And some wordy bits, I think. Oh, and some really cute borders. So that is going in here. Which way do I want to do it? I think that will work, and I'll be able to see everything. So that's what I have for Christmas. I'm going to I think I'm going to load these in, all of these, so that I'm ready to go. I don't know what order I'm going to put things in, but before I go on vacation, so in the next 2 weeks, I am going to do an introductory page for each park with space for a photo. So I'm going to do a 6x8 sheet introduction for each park with the name of the park. So I know I can do those before I go. And then I can also probably create some vignettes and stuff based on Chamel's Get Ready for Christmas class that I took, that I haven't finished watching all of it yet. But I think that's my plan. So come back. As I said, next video, I'm going to do the cover of this and figure out alphas and everything for that. Come on back to My Space to Craft.